DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. You see what we are dealing with today? Yeah, man, we're there with a special treat. You know, we're there one of the goats in rap. Well, three of the goats in rap, really. You see me? I say, yeah, man, there are three people that should be considered goats. You know what I'm saying? We got Eminem. You see me? We got Big Sean and Babytron on the same track. The one named Tobey. Yeah, man, that's crazy, gang. You don't know, say Eminem is crazy when it comes to rapping. You see me? I say, crazy lyrical, crazy style, crazy flow. Eminem, you don't know already if you know about rap. You see me? I say, and then you got Big Sean, which a lot of people say should be in the big tree, you know. Which me personally say big tree, being big tree or the big tree should be a big four. Cause Big Sean, you know, Big Sean can rap in a dog. So I think Big Sean get the respect that he deserve, bro. But you see me say, but if you say Eminem draw fame, if you know say Eminem actually respect this nigga rapping. Big Sean can rap, you know. When it come to like lyrics and spitting on floors, Big Sean got it, you know. Yeah, man, people be sleep on Big Sean. But yo, we're there with Eminem, Big Sean and Babytron. The one named Tobey. We don't know how the vibe much longer again. Let's get it. But yo, Big Sean and Babytron better rap their ass out because they had a track with Eminem, you know, man. You know, Eminem can't get, you know. Oh shit, they got the Spider-Man thing there going. The Spider-Man meme where it's like, yo, oh shit, and Eminem part of that. Let me say Eminem, I say, yo, we look alike. We're goats. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's get it.
Shit, fuck, shit, boy.
Beats some crazy.
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a goat. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Be thinking so woke. White 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, all I'm seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope.
Whoa, hold on. Hold on. Big Sean going crazy. Big Sean going crazy. Big Sean know he better go crazy. You're on a track with Eminem, bro. You see me? Yeah, Big Sean know he better go crazy, bro. Well, let's pull that shit up, though. Let's get it.
Shit, boy.
Hold on.
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me,
it was a goat.
If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke.
You know, Spider-Man got that bum buckle, got bit by a spider, became a spider, got bit by a goat, became a goat. Let's get it, man.
Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐍, all I'm seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope. Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me,
it was a goat. Come on.
Go. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke.
Yo, bro, that's a crazy ass line, bro. You want space? I hope you take your helmet off when you get up to Venus and choke. That's talking bitch, bro. You want space? Get out here.
White 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐍, all I'm seeing is dope. Yeah. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope. No Espanol, I'm allergic to rojo and legally blind, all I'm seeing is go. D to the A there.
Well, I know it's whoa. Hold on.
Seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope. No Espanol, I'm allergic to rojo and legally blind, all I'm seeing is go. D to the A there and back, if we ride with the Drake, can't smoke from the T to the O. Up in the bitch, you can keep what you owe. Granny told me, boy, you reap what you sow.
Hold on, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Somebody's lyrics. Man say, well, I know it's
be thinking so woke. White 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐍𝐿, all I'm seeing is dope. My city Leia and I'm Obi-Wan, got a mission to pass, I just might be the hope. No Espanol, I'm allergic to rojo and legally blind, all I'm seeing is
allergic to rojo, that's red, and legally blind.
D to the A there and back, if we ride with the Drake, can't smoke from the T to the O.
D to the A. Hold on. If I ride, you can see from the T to the O. That's what I'm trying. Hey, come on.
Allergic to rojo and legally blind, all I'm seeing is go. D to the A there and back, if we ride with the Drake, can't smoke from the T to the O. Up in the
D to the A. If we're right there and back, Drake, and we can smoke from the T to the O. Oh, this thing is spit. Hey!
Bitch, you can keep what you owe. Granny told me, boy, you reap what you sow. Do the most, we over, even the skull. Steady on the run, glued his feet to the floor. Up in my Tesla, I'm rolling up extras. I stopped at Valero, think I should quit smoking. Life is
Bumbo cloud, up in my Tesla. I'm smoking an stop at Valero. I think I should stop, nigga. This thing ain't an electric car. and stop at the gas station. That's how high this nigga is. Come on, man.
D to the A, there and back. If we ride with the Drake, can't smoke from the T to the O. Up in the bitch, you can keep what you owe. Granny told me, boy, you reap what you sow. Do the most, we over, even the scope. Steady on the run, glued his feet to the flow. Up in my Tesla, I'm rolling up extras. I stopped at Valero, think I should quit smoking. Life is a gamble, and I'm playing slots. Pull it down, close my eyes, and I pray I win tokens. All rock, no pop, how we drop. You can come and take a baby sip, still taste the just potent. 1-1, sitting around the stars, double R for the race. Hit a race like a spaceship is floating. All this drip, think I'm below sea level. Cut your own wrist off.
Come on, this man, come on. This nigga Big Sean know he on the song with Eminem and say, yo, nigga, I can't let this nigga. You know M gonna go crazy. Somehow Eminem gonna find a reason. Look how crazy Big Sean going. But somehow Eminem gonna find a way to go harder than that. I don't know how, but he's gonna
glued his feet to the floor. Up in my Tesla, I'm rolling up extras. I stopped at Valero, think I should quit smoking. Life is a gamble, and I'm playing slots. Pull it down, close my eyes, and I pray I win tokens. All rock, no pop, how we drop. You can come and take a baby sip, still taste the just potent. 1-1, sitting around the stars, double R for the race. Hit a race like a spaceship is floating. All this drip, think I'm below sea level. Cut your own wrist off with that weak bez. Ride around with that.
So what you think I'm below sea level? Cut your own wrist off right with that.
No pop, how we drop. You can come and take a baby sip, still taste the just potent. 1-1, sitting around the stars, double R for the race. Hit a race like a spaceship is floating. All this drip, think I'm below sea level. Cut your own wrist off with that weak bez. Ride around with the Iron Giant, make him eat metal. Watch Unk break a rock down to 3 pebbles. Bam, bam, down 3.
Ride around with the Iron Giant, make him eat metal, nigga. Come on.
Grand slam. 4 pockets full, fully switch, go wham wham. Pants cramp, pull it out, count it to my hands cramp. Road DSM on the beach, not a sandstand.
Sam on the beach, on the
Boy.
sandstand. Come on, boy.
Hey, they wanna bleed me and leave me to act like they need me, but fuck it, I do it alone. She wanna touch me and rub me and go back to hubby, he probably could smell my cologne. There was a mercy and a mercy, I show him no mercy, I really was watching the throne. Niggas ain't turning me down when my baby is asleep, only time that I'm watching my tone.
Oh shit, niggas ain't turning me down when my baby, only when my baby sleep, nigga. I'm turning down my tone, nigga. This nigga going crazy, bro. Come on, bro. Yo, Big Sean, Big Sean trying to remind y'all niggas. Come on, Big Sean. Oh.
We don't want chips with a chip on our shoulder. If he Obi-Wan and I gotta be Yoda. Don't need no promoter. We pull up, they know us. I'm the Ayatollah, snatching your controller. I don't give a fuck.
If he Obi-Wan, I'm Yoda, nigga. That's a shade. Somebody said it was Obi-Wan. I think that's a Big Sean. J. Cole this, bro. Yo, come on.
My shoulder. If he Obi-Wan and I gotta be Yoda. Don't need no promoter. We pull up, they know us. I'm the Ayatollah, snatching your controller. I don't give a fuck about you when I'm focused. Fuck all the drugs you
They
take.
say about high court. Wait, is that a Kendrick this? Wait, hold on.
And I gotta be Yoda, don't need no promoter. We pull up, they know us. I'm the Ayatollah, snatching your controller. I don't give a fuck about you when I'm focused. Fuck all the drugs you take, I'm taking over. I paid attention, don't need no payola. Can't take away from me, you just need to take cover. I could paint a picture like I made this.
Y'all hearing this nigga, bro? Come on.
This will fuck your whole image. I'm a cold Bennett. I don't know what the fuck they done told niggas. I put all of my heart and my soul in it. I met you in person, you so different. I can't listen to you for a whole minute. Took a blood test, ain't no whole.
Met you in person. You was all, who we talking about, bro? Who the Come on.
You take, I'm taking over. I paid attention, don't need no payola. Can't take away from me, you just need to take cover. I could paint a picture like I made this stencil. Fuck your whole image. I'm a cold Bennett. I don't know what the fuck they done told niggas. I put all.
They man say, yo, fuck your whole image. Wait.
I could paint a picture like I made this stencil. Fuck your whole image. I'm a cold Bennett. I don't know what the fuck they done told niggas. I put all of my heart and my soul in it. I met you in person, you so different. I can't listen to you for a whole minute. Took a blood test, ain't no whole winner. Watch your motherfucking mouth before I go in it. They like, no, he didn't. Got him more invested.
Come on, nigga. Big Sean going off. Come on.
If it's one thing I make no exceptions. I got new addresses, I got no reception. I got love and hate coming from both directions. Bitch, I come from the D where they BMF and where they moving them keys like a chord progression. Bitch, I'm
the D with they. Come on. Yeah, come on.
omnipresent, I got no reflection. Made a living off bars, I need no correction. Grinding shit out, gotta stay patient while you outside. We on staycation.
Living off bars, nigga. I don't need no correction, nigga. Living off bars, correction out. Come on.
Grinding shit out, gotta stay patient while you outside. We on staycation. Like the fucking ain't no player for real unless you play making. I take the chances you hate taking. Fuck a dog, I'ma go West Craven. I'm at the safe, fuck a safe haven. They play with my name and I can't take it. Little
Tobey
bitch.
Maguire got bit by a spider.
Easy.
Me. It was a go. If you
Yo,
want space, I
this
hope you take
yo, Big Sean going crazy, bro.
your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is dope. My city laying, and I'm Obi-Wan. Got a mission to pass. I just might
Yo,
be the
everybody coming. How he gonna go? How he gonna top that, bro? I'm Babytron.
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider. Me must have got bit by a goat. I used to dream as a kid I would grow to be one. I hope that I inspire hope for you to go get what you desire most. Spit fire, bitch, I was just flying coach. Y'all thought you was sick, you were misdiagnosed. I'm dope and you never had this high dose.
What I say, bro? What is wrong with this nigga, bro? Tobey Maguire got big ass. Me, I must be the goat, nigga. You see me? You talking about nigga? I was just flying coach, nigga. Talking about he spit fire, nigga. Talking about he's sick, he was misdiagnosed. Come on.
I bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a go. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is dope. My city laying, and I'm Obi-Wan. Got a mission to pass. I just might be the hope.
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider. Me must have got bit by a goat. I used to dream as a kid I would grow to be one. I hope that I inspire hope for you to go get what you desire most. Spit fire, bitch, I was just flying coach. Y'all thought you was sick, you were misdiagnosed. I'm dope and you never had this high dose. Now my state's in the building.
I'm dope, but you never had this high dose, nigga. Come on, bro. Come on.
What you desire most. Spit fire, bitch, I was just flying coach. Y'all thought you was sick, you were misdiagnosed. I'm dope and you never had this high dose. Now my state's in the building, and bitch, I done slept on more floors than the Empire State Building. I got so many stories, but I hate ceilings. Ain't feeling your top 5 favorite rappers, so I know they about to be pissed.
Bro, I don't know how the yo, how I don't know how M does it, bro. He's the only rapper that can flex being broke, bro. Flex broke shit. Like this nigga say, yo, I was flying coach, nigga. This nigga say you talk doing all this, and nigga I stepped on more floor than. You see what I said? Niggas be like, oh man, M is crazy, bro. Come on.
Now my state's in the building, and bitch, I done slept on my floor.
Hold on. I gotta pull up M. Come on, M is going crazy, bro. This man is just.
The kid I would grow to be one. I hope that I inspire.
I'm going to take that shit for the dick. Come on.
But see, me, it was a go. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off soon as you get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is dope. My city laying, and I'm Obi-Wan. Got a mission to pass. I just might be the hope.
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider. Me must have got bit by a goat. I used to dream as a kid I would grow to be one. I hope that I inspire hope for you to go get what you desire most. Spit fire, bitch, I was just flying coach. Y'all thought you was sick, you were misdiagnosed. I'm dope and you never had this high dose.
Come on, let's get the rest of this shit.
Now my state's in the building, and bitch, I done slept on more floors than the Empire State Building. I got so many stories, but I hate ceilings. Ain't feeling your top 5 favorite rappers, so I know they about to be pissed at me. But this to me is a mystery. How rappers I've already ripped could be higher up on a list than me. Yet here I sit on your list with 5.
You might say, yo, this shit is mystery, bro. Oh, rappers that I've ripped can be on this higher list than me, bro. Rappers that I've murdered, killed. That's crazy, bro. This man spit.
It's fine, but just know inside, to me this shit's hilarious. So when I get distoing by a pioneer who is one of the reasons why I am here, they tell me I should just let the shit go and slide. Melly Mel shouldn't get no reply. That man is a legend, bitch, so am I. And anyone else who thinks it'd be wise and easy.
I should get a reply. Bitch, I'm a legend too. Fuck wrong with you, bro. Living.
Pie to beat me and tries can treat me just like poison. They can eat me and die. Middle finger stuck up, but I never conceded. Whenever ever retreated, you never seen it. Every dream that I ever dreamt, I exceeded. See, met my legacy. I definitely needed controversy. I always fed on. I need it. Treat it like a truck hit a head on. I meet it. I get on a beat, and it's like that. I got a Tiger song is playing in my head on repeat. I've been knocked down so many times, can't count.
Get on a beat. It's like I had a Tiger is playing in my head on repeat. How do you fit all those words in these bars, bro? Come on.
Sometimes she does not pan out. That's just the way that the card hands dealt. John Manziel, odd man out. Heavyweight boy to Scott Van Pelt. I can't help but feel like a victim of child abuse, cause I am bout to get that goddamn belt. Way beyond crazy, shady gone. But hey, maybe I'm the GOAT, the bitch on and Babytron, and that's why they be on the shit they be on. Cause
Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a go. If you want space, I hope you take your helmet off.
Y'all need to stop playing with Big Sean and Eminem, bro. You feel me, boy? Y'all gotta stop playing with Big Sean after this.
Get up to Venus and choke. Even while sleeping, be thinking so woke. White Cartiers, all I'm seeing is dope. My city laying, and I'm Obi-Wan. Got a mission to pass. I just might be the hope.
Summer's here, and so too are its
crazy
challenges. Heat.
That's crazy. Yo. That's straight heat. That's straight heat. That's straight heat right there, man. That's straight heat right there, man. Yeah, them boys went crazy, gang. Yeah, this video might be a little bit longer than normal, but they went crazy, gang. Yeah, man, I gotta draw this shit right. That's heat. Yeah, man, gang. I hope y'all enjoy that reaction, man. I hope y'all enjoy Eminem, Big Sean, Babytron, bro. You know what I'm saying? They went crazy, just as I expected, bro. But Big Sean went crazy, dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to debate. Did M really outright Big Sean on this one? I don't know, but y'all gotta put some respect on Big Sean's name. This man definitely came to remind y'all, bro. That bar that Big Sean Bumbuckler set was crazy. I think M was just like, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, bro. But shout out to them, bro. Fire. The playlist, bro. You know what I'm saying? This should remind you like what rap is, bro. That's real rap right here. You know what I'm saying? Stop playing with these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, gang, let me know what you think about the one in the comment section. Drop a comment if you like. You can show that to some of our support. Man, they know so I'm dancing. You see me? I say? Drop your comments. What's your favorite part? Beats, lyrics, melody. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All that. Let's talk about it. Let's get a discussion and dialogue going. You already know what time it is, man. Drop your requests. You're gonna get your shout out. You already know. Yo, respect. I appreciate y'all for the engagement, the likes, the comments, all that, man. We're going strong, gang. You already know we're gonna take it to the top. The best reaction channel on YouTube. We're not ask Christ. You see me? I say? Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.